I recently purchased the Sony a6600 mirrorless camera. Got that from Adorama.com. Why did I get this camera? Well, I needed it for work and thought I'd get into it as a hobby as well. But I needed something that was more compact than a DSLR. It was really between this Sony that just came out or the Fujifilm X-T3, but I selected this one primarily because it had the image stabilization, and also it has that real-time eye autofocus tracking, which I thought was pretty cool. So I know absolutely zero about cameras, so this is a new thing for me to try, but I thought I would just show you what it looked like coming out of the box. And so let's go ahead and open this thing up and see. This is not just the camera body, but I got the Sony Alpha a66 mirrorless digital camera with the 18-135mm kit lens. So let's see what comes with it. The manuals. Here. It's like the battery charging unit with a charging cable. I'm not sure what that's for, but I imagine it's for the eyepiece. This is likely the camera body. There it is, the camera body. It is nice and compact like that. So the reasons we got it that way, the strap. And this is the lens that comes with it. Let's open that up and see what it looks like. All right. There's our lens, our kit lens. So now I'm gonna have to charge this thing up and start figuring out how to use this as a camera. But anyways, I'm hoping this becomes something that I enjoy, not just for work, but something that I can do as a hobby. And anyways, just wanted to show you what was in the box and what comes out for the Sony a6600 mirrorless camera. Thanks for watching.